What if there was a way to pinpoint where and how to enhance your warehouse operation? Every warehouse has hidden potential, but how do you uncover it? Introducing the UPS Warehouse Assessment and Redesign, a 1-week on-site evaluation conducted by UPS warehouse engineers, designed to uncover inefficiencies and highlight smarter ways to move forward. Our engineers conduct a comprehensive review of your entire operation: receiving, put away, picking, packing, and shipping, analyzing processes, space, equipment, and SKU velocity. We benchmark performance, identify pain points, and reveal opportunities to optimize processes, layout, and flow. So what does this mean for your business? Targeted recommendations and a clear, actionable roadmap, helping you create a facility built for long-term growth, greater efficiency, and smarter operations. Starting now, UPS Customer Solutions, innovating supply chains for what's now and what's next.